Are you an outdoors, hands-on person? Would you like a career in a growth industry? The carpentry industry offers a lifetime career working locally or overseas. With Te Wānanga o Aotearoa and our NZ Certificate in Construction Trade Skills, you will gain basic carpentry skills and knowledge to prepare you for a career in building and construction. Our program's learning modules cover everything from compliance and regulatory requirements, reading and using specifications and drawings, applying carpentry terminology and concepts, building technology, installation processes and techniques, all whilst carrying out assigned carpentry work in a project environment. Your learning will be delivered through in-class teachings across 38 weeks. After which, you'll be ready to enter an apprenticeship scheme in carpentry or similar trades in the building industry with construction companies and contractors. You will need to have access to an internet-connected digital device to fully participate in this program. We're here to support your goals and success. Te Wānanga o Aotearoa offers a range of free services including student support, program support, online tools and access to our world-class facilities around the country. So come and see us at one of our 80 sites around Aotearoa, or for more information, see our program details online at twoa.ac.nz. See you soon e hoa mā.